So I got a great idea. I'm sitting here chilling on my day off, feeling a little bit sick, and I'm bored though. So I'm gonna organize my clothes a bit better here. I got a clothing rack that I got at Walmart a few months ago. I used to put my gym clothes on there, but I downsized a lot more and now I have a lot more space. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that rack and I'm gonna put all the clothes that I wear on a daily basis on there. Everything that I know that I wear is gonna go on that rack. So I'm gonna have the rack and it's gonna sit outside of my closet, but I'm gonna close my closet door. So it's like out of sight, out of mind kind of dealio. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna see in 6 months' time, whatever is in there, I'm gonna donate. I'm gonna give it away. So we'll see where I'm at in 6 months. But I'm sure I'll obviously be posting more shit along the way. But this is just my idea for right now. We'll see how this goes. This is my little plan, things change, but this is my little thing idea that I got. So I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna something to do. I'm bored. I'm gonna try this out. I've seen people that they put stuff into a box, so it's like out of sight, out of mind, and you go into the box if you're missing those things. But I'm just gonna close up my closet here because I have this extra rack, and my closet has like a big mirror on the doors. There's mirrors on each door, so if I close it, it's not gonna like look weird or whatever. Anyways, so. I can put the rack in front of it, so it's kind of like, don't go in there. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah, that's my cool little idea. I'll do that, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Anyways, peace and love. See ya later.